Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact charge and why you think it's a service fee. Check your bank statement and Apple ID purchase history now. Once done, note the date, dollar amount, and any subscription tied to that charge so you have specific evidence. Make sure you capture screenshots of the App Store receipt, email confirmations, and the device serial if it's device service related. This clarity speeds everything. Having receipts and order numbers ready means you'll avoid back and forth delays. You now escalate by filing a refund or dispute with Apple. Go to report a problem. Apple, calm or open settings and tap your purchase history to report the specific charge. Once submitted, call Apple support or start a chat so you get a case number and written confirmation, record names, times, and ticket ID. If the fee came from a subscription, cancel it immediately and save the cancellation confirmation. Keep all correspondence and screenshots, because they're essential. If Apple won't remove the service fee, you file a chargeback with your bank, call your card issuer and explain you've tried Apple first, then open a dispute. Provide the bank with the Apple case number, receipts, and any chat transcripts or screenshots as proof. Once the dispute is open, monitor your account and follow up promptly when the bank asks for documents. Troubleshooting tip: if the bank needs more proof, request a written denial from Apple support. Banks accept that as decisive evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.